How to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours, check out your Facebook first and foremost. Now firstly, you need to copy the profile link of the person. To do that, tap on the search icon and search for the user. Click on the three dot and tap on copy link. After you have successfully copied the profile link, head back. Check out the three horizontal line in your top right corner. Scroll down and expand the option of help and support. Tap on report a problem. Click on continue to report a problem. Wait until Facebook is creating a report. Now over here, select on don't include. Right from here, you can just click on any of the option. Now in the issue, you can actually paste the profile link of the person that we just copied. Then just type in why you wish to block this person without waiting 48 hours. You can also upload screenshot if they have violated the terms and condition of Facebook as well. By this way, once the report is previewed by the Facebook team, the profile will be blocked in your account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you.